This video will talk about playing hymns in Concord. Readers might find this feature helpful in selecting which tunes they would like the congregation to sing during a service. There are two different ways to play hymns in Concord. The first one is to come here to this play button, and when I click on it, the different settings or arrangements of this hymn appear. We have the hymn number followed by the name of the tune. And so from here, I simply just pick which hymn I want to listen to. So I'm going to click hymn 51. And when I do that, up here towards the top of my screen, this hymnal player box appears. This is the play and pause button. And then when I'm done, I can simply click the X and it will disappear. And I will note that most hymns on Concord play through once, one verse. The second way to play hymns in Concord is found below the hymn. So you'll notice that we have these individual hymns, these individual settings, and by each of them you have a headphone icon. So I'm going to choose now to play hymn 468 by clicking on the headphone icon. And when I do that, again, this hymnal player box opens up here towards the top of my screen. And again, I can also click the X when I'm finished. So clicking on this headphone icon at the bottom of the hymn, and also clicking on this play button located at the top of the hymn are both ways you can use to play and listen to hymns in Concord. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to check out any of our other help videos.